Hello, I'm Chief Pat Turner. In this video, we'll take a look at fire prevention and public education. If you have an interest in this type of information, please hit that subscribe button for me and ring the bell so you'll be notified when I add new videos. And most of all, don't forget to like this video. That really helps us get more visitors. Fire prevention and public education are critical components of modern firefighting efforts. These proactive approaches aim to reduce the occurrences of fires and ensure that communities are well informed and prepared to respond to emergencies. In this video, we'll delve into the significance of fire prevention and public education in safeguarding lives and property. Fire prevention encompasses a wide range of strategies and measures aimed at reducing the risk of fires. Its primary goal is to stop fires from happening in the first place. Key aspects of fire prevention include governments and municipalities establish building codes and fire safety regulations to ensure that structures are designed and constructed with fire-resistant materials and safety systems. Fire departments conduct routine inspections of commercial and residential properties to identify fire hazards and ensure compliance with fire safety codes. Inspections offer focus on areas like fire alarms, sprinkler systems, and emergency exits. Maintaining a reliable water supply for firefighting purposes is essential. Fire departments work with local utilities to ensure that hydrants are operational and have adequate water pressure. Fire prevention efforts include regulating the storage and handling of hazardous materials to reduce the risk of chemical fires and environmental contamination. Implementing smoking regulations in public areas and buildings helps prevent accidental fires caused by discarded cigarette butts or matches. Promoting safe handling and use of fireworks, especially during holidays, can reduce the number of fireworks-related fires and injuries. Public education plays a vital role in empowering individuals and communities to make informed decisions about fire safety. Effective public education initiatives include firefighters often visit schools to teach children about fire safety through age-appropriate programs. Topics may include stop, drop, and roll, fire drills, and recognizing smoke alarms. Fire departments host workshops and seminars for adults to raise awareness about fire safety in homes and workplaces. These sessions may cover topics such as escape plans, fire extinguisher use, and hazard mitigation. Fire Prevention Week, observed annually in October, is a prime opportunity to promote fire safety awareness. Fire departments typically organize events, distribute educational materials, and conduct demonstrations during this week. Public education campaigns stress the importance of having working smoke alarms in every home. Fire departments often provide free smoke alarms or offer installation assistance to low-income households. Firefighters may offer home safety checks where they assess a residence for potential fire hazards, provide recommendations, and educate residents on safe practices. Fire departments engage with the community through open houses, fire station tours, and participation in local events. These interactions build trust and strengthen community bonds. Fire prevention and public education initiatives have a substantial impact on reducing the frequency and severity of fires. By raising awareness and educating the public, these efforts encourage households to develop and practice escape plans, improving readiness in case of a fire. Promote responsible behaviors such as safe cooking practices and proper storage of flammable materials. They foster a culture of fire safety within communities, resulting in reduced fire-related injuries and property damage. In conclusion, fire prevention and public education are proactive measures that significantly contribute to community safety. By equipping individuals with the knowledge and tools to prevent fires and respond effectively to emergencies, firefighters and their partners create a safer environment for everyone. These initiatives embody the adage that an ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure, by reducing the human and economic toll of fires. Well, that's it for this time. I encourage you to take a look at the courses on my website at chiefsclassroom.org. These entry-level firefighter test preparation courses are designed to complement each other as the student completes the curriculum. I look forward to seeing you in one of my courses real soon. Take care and be safe.